Hello, my name is Mark Simpson and I'm the founder of Boostly, and I like to give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence that you can go and get your own bookings. That way you don't have to rely on Booking.com, Airbnb, Vrbo, the Expedia group. So that means you get more commission and get more control into your business. Now, I would like to send you 7 tactics, tools, and free tips that will help your business right now. All you need to do is to leave your email address. It'll either be there, or there. And then what I'll do is I'll send you a quick form so I can find out more about you. As soon as you fill that in, I will get to work and I'll send you the tactics, the training, and the tools that I think that will help your business the best. Everything is free. You can unsubscribe at any time, but if you do want to find out more and get more emails and help and guidance from me, I will let you know in that email how you can do so. So all you got to do, click the link, put your best email address in, make sure you go and check your junk or your spam just in case it doesn't get through to the right place, and I shall see you on the other side.